this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft with shaders without lag in low-end PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I want to give you some recommendations to help you run Minecraft while using shaders, even if you have a low-end PC. So, I'm gonna cover a specific shader pack that is designed for high performance, and I'm gonna give you general tips on what to do to improve the performance when playing with shaders. So I'm going to assume that you already have either Optifine or something like Sodium and Iris installed. I highly recommend using Iris and Sodium. Sadly for this video, I'm not going to cover how to install them, but it's as simple as downloading the mod loader and then dragging the jar files into the mods folder. And once you have them, you will have access to the shader packs option. The shader pack that I want to showcase is Makeup Ultra Fast. So you can find it on places like CurseForge. You might be able to find it on ModRanth as well, but I'm going to showcase this page for the video. So as you can see, they claim that the best part about this shader is the high performance. You can browse through the entirety of the page if you would like to learn more, but basically just click on the option to download it here. Once you have it downloaded, it's as simple as dragging it into the shader packs folder or just drag and drop it in this page here. So you will have the zip file, get it from your downloads folder, drop it here. Once you have makeup selected, and if you click on the shader pack settings, you can actually change the profile. So you can make it go very, very low. No effects, of course, will mean that it won't be active, but then you can set it to something like shadowless low, shadowless medium, and so on. I recommend starting with low. So set it to low, apply, click done, and see how your computer does using them on the low preset. If it runs satisfyingly enough, then you can leave it on low or even consider bumping it up. So basically, you have to test it on your own hardware. Every single PC is different and results can vary drastically. So by testing it on your computer, you will be able to determine if you should go even lower or higher. And of course, make sure to apply basic principles. Close down any unused applications. Make sure that you update the video drivers on your graphics card if you have a dedicated one. And always try to maximize the system memory towards Minecraft. As long as you customize the shader pack according to your PC, and you close down unused applications and you give Minecraft as much memory as possible, you will be able to enjoy gameplay with shaders while still achieving high performance. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Minecraft with shaders without lag in low-end PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.